I don't know if you've ever made a Black Forest cake from scratch before, but they can be a lot of work because you have to do the chocolate cake layer, there's the cherry jam that you have to make to go into the filling, plus the frosting, which is a whipped cream based frosting, and the chocolate shavings on top. It's a lot of effort. It's worth it, but a lot of effort. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we want to show you how to make an easy keto version of a Black Forest cake. But this is going to be easy because it's a chaffle cake, or a chaffle is a keto waffle. Basically, it's made out of egg and cheese, and it's going to be a chocolate waffle, and we're going to layer it with some cherry whipped cream frosting. Let's get started. To make this cake, I opted not to make the cherry jam because, yes, cherries really aren't keto approved. There's a lot of carbs in them, a lot of just natural sugars. So instead, I'm just going with a whipped cream frosting around the chaffle cake that is flavored with cherries, just so we get that essence of cherry for our Black Forest cake. So to start, we're gonna make our chaffles. This is a chocolate chaffle, and so in a small bowl, you're gonna add 2 eggs, 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of almond flour, and then for the chocolate, I'm going to be using ChocZero's dark chocolate baking chips. I'm going to melt these down. It's going to be just a 1/4 cup of them, and we're going to add that to our chaffle mixture. If you don't want to use melted chocolate, you could substitute with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of monk fruit or sweetener of your choice, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna mix this together using an electric mixer until it's combined, and then pour it into your waffle maker. I recommend using one of the smaller waffle makers just so you can get many layers for your chaffle cake. Once you've made all of your waffles, now it's time to move on to our whipped cream frosting. In a medium bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and whip that together until it starts to form like soft peaks. Then we're gonna add in our sweetener, which is gonna be ChocZero's vanilla syrups. I love their syrups because they're sugar alcohol free. We're gonna use a 1/4 cup of their syrup. And then for flavor, like I said before, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of cherry extract. Continue whipping this together until you get stiff peaks. Now it's time to assemble our cake. To get those chocolate shavings, we're going to be using one of ChocZero's squares, and just using a carrot peeler or potato peeler, just peel off some of the chocolate and it will produce these lovely little shavings. And that's it. We hope you guys make this a lovely keto Black Forest chaffle cake. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos.